Service Training Program or NSTP. So before the NSTP was created ay nagkaroon muna tayo ng military training course sa University of Santo Tomas na inorganisa noong 1762 by Father Domingo Colliantes, OP, Rector and Chancellor of UST Military Training Course. It is also similar to the ROTC was attended by the Battalion of Young Students in 1912. The first ROTC unit in this country was established in instruction started on July 3, 1922. The National University in Ateneo, Manila and the Colegio de San Juan de Letran formed their respective ROTC units. These units remained independent of each other until 1936, when ROTC existed throughout the country was supervised and controlled.
This is former President Manuel L. Quezon. Under his governance in 1935, the Commonwealth Act No. 1 or National Defense Act was established. Under this, all college students, particularly females, are required to join the ROTC, and all 33 universities maintain their ROTC units. In addition, under the Presidential Decree 1706 or known as National Service Law, ang mga college students ay required na sumali sa tatlong program, kung saan ang tatlong program ay kinukompose ng first, Civil Welfare Service, second, Law Enforcement Service, and lastly, Military Service. Meanwhile, during the term of former President Corazon Aquino, the National Service Law was suspended under the Presidential Memorandum No. 1. Also, it became the Basic Reserve Officers Training Corps. It was effective in 1986 to 1987. In March 15, 2001, a boy named Mark Wilson Chua, in 19 years old, was found dead at the river. He was a student of University of Santo Tomas, and he is known as a victim of illegal practices of ROTC. At dahil sa nangyari kay Chua,
Nagkaroon ng mandatory no more expanded ROTC or ROTC. Sa makatuwid ay tinapos na ang mandatoryong ROTC sa ating bansa at nagpatayo ng National Service Reserve Corps or RA 9163.
What is the legal basis of NSTP? The National Service Training Program Law, also known as Republic Act 9163, was enacted in January 2002 to amend the expanded ROTC. The primary objective of NSTP was to cultivate civic consciousness and defense preparedness among the tertiary level students. It achieves this by fostering a sense of service and patriotism through a training in one of its three program components, ultimately encouraging the youth's active involvement in promoting the general welfare. What are the components of NSTP? There are three components of NSTP. First, Reserve Officers Training Services, or what we call ROTC. ROTC is institutionalized under Section 38 and 39 of Republic Act No. 7077. This program aims to develop the physical, social, and intellectual skills of each and everyone to the role in the national defense. This taught the basic military skills such as marching, weapon handling, and first aid among others. This program encouraged each and everyone to be aware of the current issues and challenges faced by the country and to be responsible citizens who are willing to serve the nation. Second is Civic Welfare Training Services. This involves community-based activities and projects that focuses on community development, environment conservation, and disaster response and preparedness. Third is Literacy Training Services. This trains students to teach literacy and numeracy skills who are covered by NSTP law. All incoming freshmen are covered by NSTP law. Also, all higher and technical vocational education must offer at least one component of NSTP.
Duration and equivalent to course unit of each NSTP components. Each component shall be undertaken to academic period of 2 semesters. Each component has allotted time to 54 to 90 hours. Lastly, the NSTP components consist of 3 units per semester.
Fees that shall be charged to student taking any of components of NSTP. No other fees shall be collected except basic tuition fees. Who are covered with the suspension of ROTC requirements? Those graduate students who finished their studies before the enactment of NSTP Law 2001 and its effectiveness on March 21, 2002 did not need to join the mandatory course.
What happens to my students who are currently enrolled and have not taken nor completed the ROTC requirement for graduation? First, male students who are not covered by Section 12 of this rule and have not taken any of the military service, civic welfare service, or law enforcement service shall be covered by the NSTP law. Male students who have taken 2 semesters of basic ROTC or expanded ROTC are deemed to have complied for the NSTP requirement. Male students who have taken only 1 semester of basic ROTC or expanded ROTC shall take any of the NSTP components to qualify for graduation. Male students who want to qualify for enlistment in the reserve force or attend the advanced ROTC program shall take another program for this purpose.
NSTP 1 Summer Program. NSTP OSP is created under RA 9163 or the NSTP Act of 2001, especially Section 6, jointly devised, formulated and adopted by DND, CHED, and TESDA. NSTP OSP is established for the 3 components, the ROTC, CWAT, and LTS. This is intended for the graduating students' baccalaureate and at least 2-year technical vocational or associate courses who have yet to comply with the NSTP as a requirement for graduation, as well as for students that allow them to concentrate on the academic subjects and co-curricular concerns.
What is National Service Reserve Corps or NSRC? NSRC is created under Section 11 of RA 9163 for the NSTP Act of 2001. NSRC is also part of NSTP but focusing non-ROTC component which is LTS, Literary Training Services and CWTS, Civic Welfare Training Services.